Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is not a full-fledged makeup tutorial, but it's a tutorial on how you can make your makeup last all day long. It's the most hot and humid time out here. So if you are wearing makeup, you have to make it a point that makeup should stick on your skin for the much longer time and it should not melt off. So today's video has got some techniques that can absolutely change your makeup game in summers and can make you look flawless and glamorous throughout. So without further ado, let's get started. For moisturizer today, I'm using Aroma Magic Vitamin E Cream. A lot of people think that they don't need moisturizer in summers, but no matter what season it is, moisturizing your skin is mandate. Likewise, we need food every day. The same manner, our skin needs food every single day, and moisturizer is the food that our skin needs. Now is the time for sunscreen. You can never miss out on sunscreen while going out, especially in summers. This is a Solset Blue Sunscreen Clear Gel that I have been using since a very long time now, and I have been loving this gel as it is non-greasy and non-comedogenic. So I'll just take 2 pumps of it on my hand and I'll just apply it on my face. Now your skin is prepped and ready for the makeup. For primer today, I'm using the L'Oreal Base Magic Primer. I'm using this primer because it gives you a velvety finish without making your skin too dry or sticky. So this primer is ideal for oily skin as well. What you have to do is take little amount of primer on your hand and just start dabbing it onto your skin starting from the T-zone. Here comes the game-changing step. It's using loose powder before you go in with foundation. This will act as a barrier between sweat and your makeup. Powder that I'm using today is mud loose powder. For this step specially, you have to use a damp sponge because it will help the powder to melt into your skin real quick, and this will work as another layer of mattification. After this step, when you apply your foundation, you will notice that the foundation applies better, it will last for longer, and you will require comparatively lesser quantity of that. Comes the foundation now. You have to make sure that the foundation you choose is long lasting one and on the matte side. So the foundation that I am choosing today is my most favorite Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. Other drugstore recommendations that I have for you are Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation, Lakme 925cc, and the last one is Maybelline BB Cream. I use CC and BB on regular basis and they last really long on my skin, like from morning to night until I wash them off completely. I have taken the foundation at the back of my hand. I'll take the foundation first in the centers of my face. The trick here is apply a thin layer of foundation and blend it nicely into the skin, as it is a long wear foundation and a double wear one, so that it doesn't look cakey at all. So you can see I'm just taking little amount of foundation. Now is the time to conceal the face. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. The key here is to leave the concealer on your face for a good 1 minute so it dries down a little, and this way your concealer will give you the maximum coverage. I'm just applying the concealer under my eyes. So the key is to start baking your face or setting your under eye concealer with powder so that the concealer doesn't crease on you. I'm not much into baking, but today I'll bake my face just to show you guys how it works. So you have to take the loose powder and using a beauty blender, you have to take great amount of powder and pack it under your eyes. Only the areas that you contour are the under eye, the chin area, the area around your mouth. I'm not baking the whole face, but I'm just baking the areas I tend to get the fine lines at. I've seen a lot of people nowadays have got oily eyelids, so it's a key for them to bake their eyelids as well, because if you have oily eyelids, in no time your eye makeup will start creasing up. Face makeup is almost done. Now is the time to add color to the face, and I'm using this NYX contour palette. And today I want a more bronzy kind of look, so I'll use this bronzer. Taking that bronzer on the angled brush, I'm not adding any contour color to the face, I'm just adding a bronzer under my cheeks. After bronzer, taking the same palette, I'll take this highlighting shade and I'll just highlight the high points of the face. Now is the time to add blush to the face. I'm using this blush from Makeup Designery. Applying it at the tops of my cheek. And taking it all the way back to my temples. So I did my eyes off camera. Now is the time to add some highlight to the cheek. So the highlight that I'm using today is from Colourpop, and this is a Super Shock cheek highlighter in the color Flexitarian. I'll apply it using a blending brush. After applying the highlighter on the high points of my face, now is the time to start up with lips. So to line my lips, I'm using this lip liner in the neutral color from Makeup Designery. To add color to the lips, I'm using this L'Oreal Pink Flamingo lipstick. After adding color to the lips, now is the time to set your face, and I'm using the Matte Fix Plus. Alright guys, so this completes everything for this video. I hope you guys learned something out of it. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.